Afternoon, how you doing today?
I'm doing good. You get an oil change?
Absolutely. Have you been to one of our stores before, sir?
I have not.
You
First
have not?
time.
Okay, do you have a good phone number?
5601.
Alrighty.
Yep.
Alright, we do have you here. Of course, still a good address for you?
Uh-huh.
Alright. .com good for you?
That's correct.
Alrighty. 2020 Honda CR-V. Alright, sir. I don't see that you're part of our loyalty sticker program yet.
Didn't know about it.
No, well, it's basically a sticker about the size of the palm of my hand that goes in the back of your vehicle, and you'll get an automatic 10% discount. How's that sound?
Does it
good?
look good? Is it classy looking? This is my wife's
great.
car.
Absolutely, I'll show it to you
She'll
up front.
scratch it off in a heartbeat if it don't look good. Does it look good?
It looks great.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
And I get a good deal with that, huh?
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's go ahead and get that situated for you. What's your mileage at right now, sir?
Good question. Let's see.
There we go.
99,459.
All right, sir. My tech over there is going to guide you in. As soon as he indicates you to stop, leave your vehicle running. We're going to check your lights and make sure everything's running correctly, and then you'll get further instructions from there, all right?
All right.
All right, whenever you're ready.
All right.
So the packages we have today, based on your mileage, what I would suggest is a diamond package. This starts off at $99.99 for 5 quarts, and your oil filter is included. Any quart past that would be at $9.99, and this includes, so it's full synthetic oil, and it comes with cleaner and additives, keeps your engine running smoother for a longer time. You want to go with this one today?
Yeah.
Alrighty, sounds good. Diamond package, guys.
Now I get the discount, the 10% discount off of that today or
10%.
next week?
There's no hidden fees. It's just that price plus the taxes. There's no any other hidden fees.
Okay, cool.
Could you pop your hood, or I can help you if you need me to, sir?
Thanks.
No problem. Open the door.
Diamond package, clear to drop, LUBE.
Bird.
Caps off.
Oil filter, you got M4612.
M4612.
Yes, sir.
Bird.
Book balance torque and how many quarts?
Oil, you got 0W20. 4 quarts. 25 foot-pounds of torque.
Excuse me, sir. Do you mind if I check your cabin filter behind your glove box over there?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate that.
Not a problem.
No clue what's in there.
Could be anything, couldn't it? Oh, it looks brand new.
All right.
Mind if I put my hand in your vehicle, remove the sticker, and put your new one on, sir?
Don't take that one off. I took the other one off.
Oh,
before
okay,
I
you got
came
it off
in.
already.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
that's my car wash right there.
Okay.
Until I'm really using it, right? Gotta
One
get
right
that
across
car
the
washed.
street too, sir.
All right, cool.
All right, there you go.
Now, how many miles did you add to that?
5,000 miles or 3-month service recommendation, sir.
Okay.
How we doing, Luke? Ready down oil?
Any recommendations?
Battery corrosion. Everything else is good, good. Battery corrosion and top off wash. No oil leaks.
Topped it off already? Alright, sir, we are recommending our battery corrosion. It's basically to remove some rust and corrosion that you have in your terminals. Is that something you want to take
Okay.
care of today?
What does that cost?
Get that for you.
How long is it going to take?
No more than your oil service, sir.
Okay. That means what?
You'll be out within the same time, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not going to add
Okay.
any other time.
All right.
And that is $14.99, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Go ahead and do that. Does that come with any protectant or anything that
Yes,
goes
he's
on the
gonna
top
put it
of
on right now, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, your grand total today is $112.33.
Okay.
like a credit card receipt with that?
Please.
You want me to actually charge it?
Wheel going in. Four quarts in. Well, that was good. Final torque check.
Filter, nice and tight.
All right, thank you, sir. Oil caps back on.
Got the inspection sheet ready?
Yes, sir. All caps tight, top side.
Here's your card back, sir.
Thanks.
I'll bring you the receipt in just a second.
Okay.
Please start, Lube.
Clear start.
All right, sir. Go ahead and turn your engine on, please.
Now, just turn it on.
Yeah, put on the brake and go ahead and start it, please.
Okay.
I forgot it's a hybrid. Might have to give it a little bit of gas for the engine to kick on.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't take a minute,
Does
I
not want
guess.
to come on.
Yep, not yet.
There it goes.
There we go.
It's going to run for about 10 seconds. All right, sir, that should be good. Go ahead and
Turn it
cut
off.
off, please.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So here's your credit card receipt. Here's a copy of everything we did. The oil that was added, quantity, your oil filter, and your battery corrosion package, and in the back is your inspection sheet.
Okay, very
Keep
good.
that
And
for
that-
your records.
the
then
resetting the light.
We'll reset
Okay.
the light right now, yes, sir.
All right.
All right, sir. Here's your oil level. As you can see, your top line's right there, and that oil's nice and clean right there at the line.
Okay.
So go ahead and press the button without your foot on the brake. Push the button, your power button two times. Don't push the brake. Yep, just
Leave, bay one.
2 times.
2 times.
Yes, sir. There you go. Let me go ahead and reset that for you. All right, there you are at 100%.
Cool.
What you got left, Logan?
All done, ready to go.
Bottom, you good? Yeah. All right, so you're all set.
All right.
There you are, sir. Thank you for coming in. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.